Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create Gmail account without phone number. So I'm just going to open the Gmail and then click your Gmail account profile in the top right corner, and then just click add another account. So click the Google and click create account. You can select this one for yourself or manage your business. For instance, for instance, I'm going to select for myself and then click next, and you can enter your name, click next, enter your birthday and gender, click next, and you can create a Gmail address here. Just click next, but if your Gmail address that your created is taken, you can try another, or you can select available here. Just click next, and you can create a strong password here. Just click next, and in this section you can ignore the phone number option. Just swipe up and then skip, and click next, click I agree. So your Google or Gmail account has been created. So this video is very simple. This tutorial is very simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.